Alright, I'm just doing a quick sealing on my exhaust manifold, the heat riser gate, and do a little treatment just like I did on the manifolds. So I got my toothbrush and then the Calyx. So I'll just apply it to all the materials on here, so I'll make sure I don't get it on the spring or anything like that, but let's see how it goes. Alright, so just like the last manifold, so I'll just get a little bit on here. As you can see, an instant color change. So I keep going, just keep rubbing it in, toothbrush, and then so you'll get flaking off. But then when you're done, then you get a rag and really rub it down, rub it in, and get all the extra off, and you should be good to go. All right, all done. You can't see very well in the sheen of the sun, but got it all. Make sure I get clean springs off when I did it. But so this is got a good seal to it. All done.